As we get into tomorrow morning, you're really going to feel it. It's going to bite as you step out the door. As you get kids to the bus stop, make sure they're bundled up. We'll be talking temperatures within a degree or two of freezing through most of the Metroplex, and some of our more rural and more valley lower lying spots dipping as low as the middle 20s. As we get into tomorrow morning, we have a freeze warning in effect for almost all of North Texas. And for that reason, we have issued that first alert weather day for tomorrow morning. As Steve mentioned there, you felt the chill to the air today. Here's a look at our sunset. 5:30 this evening is that official sunset time. So just a few minutes ago, we saw a pretty sunset with clear skies out across most of the region. Today, we only reached the lower 60s at DFW. Normal is 69 degrees. Our morning low came in at 51 degrees, which was colder than we have been. Still above average, though. Our average morning lows at this point sit in the upper 40s. Now, here's what we've got coming the next few days. We will be near freezing as we get into tomorrow morning for most everywhere. Then we have a warming trend that starts to follow as we get through the rest of the work week. Then we have not talked about this so far the month of November. Some rain we'll be tapping into as we get into next weekend. That's something that we will be eyeing. I'll give you a look at that here in just a second. But let's talk those temperatures tomorrow morning first. Notice for the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we've got spots, again, just within a degree or two of freezing and some spots down below freezing. Places like Denton dipping right close to 30 degrees. We've got Bridgeport at 29 degrees and then a couple of spots up along the Red River. Places like Bowie, 28, that forecast low into tomorrow morning. And that's why this freeze warning is in effect for just about everywhere in North Texas, as those temperatures do sink within a degree or two of freezing. And on top of that, that coldest, most dense air sinks right down to the ground level, and it can be even colder there. So keep that in mind when it comes to protecting those plants, those pipes, as we do get into tomorrow morning. Now, we're close to on target for all of this. We typically see our first freeze at DFW sometime around November 22nd. Keep in mind, freezing is 32 degrees. I'm forecasting a morning low a little bit above that just for DFW. But typically during the month of November, we see around 2 freezing temperature days. December and January are when we see more of those. 8 in December and 10.5 freezing days come January. So colder days are ahead, but tomorrow will still feel very chilly. So keep that in mind. From that point on, though, we do start to warm up. We get into Tuesday, your Veterans Day forecast, morning lows in the lower 40s. By Veterans Day afternoon, we'll be looking at highs right close to 70 degrees, a nice steady warm up through the rest of the work week. By Tuesday, we'll also be talking an elevated fire threat. We will be a bit breezy. Winds start to pick up out of the south, and that gives us that warming trend. But we'll have very low humidity and will be very dry out. So as a result, that elevated fire threat west of 35. Then I mentioned rain chances for the weekend. Here's how we're looking. Friday looks mainly dry as clouds start to increase. But we get into Saturday, and both of our long-range models, the European and the American models, are trending for Saturday afternoon with some of that scattered shower activity as that cold front works through. Most of that does look to clear up by Sunday morning, so that is something that we will keep an eye on as we do inch a little bit closer to the weekend. Here's a full look at that 7-day forecast, that first alert weather day for tomorrow morning. Then that will wrap up, but keep in mind tomorrow afternoon is still cool out. Middle 50s for your Monday, less breezy, but a whole lot of sunshine. That sunshine sticks around much of the work week. We'll be looking at highs back close to 70 degrees by Tuesday. Your Veterans Day forecast really is a nice one. It's just a breezy one. We'll be in the upper 70s Wednesday, back into the lower 80s as we round out the work week. And then it's this weekend that we'll be eyeing those rain chances. We do need a little bit of rain. Typically, we see around 2.3 inches of rain during the month of November. None yet, but we'll eye it.